Welcome back, friends. So this is our continuing discussion of frequently asked question. Many students are facing problems in understanding with the estivation. You must have understood what I am trying to tell you here. Estivation means what? The estivation means the arrangement of sepals in calyx, petals in corolla are studied under the terminology of estivation. Means what? If you look at the flower from the side, from the front, you will find there is difference. If you cut the petal or sepal portion, you will find there are the margins of the sepal or petal. After cutting, you can find after cutting only. So in estivation, you will find there are various different types. First is a velvet estivation. So I will help you to understand and remember this terminology. So if you draw a circle, and if you consider we are talking about here calyx, the unit of calyx is sepal. If you consider we are talking here about 5 sepals, then you will find एक दोन तीन चार 5 sepals are I have drawn here. They are lying face to each other. Their faces are in front of each other. No overlapping. No overlapping is here. No overlapping is the key highlighting feature of velvet estivation. First type was velvet estivation. You can write the example is that solanum. In common language, dhatura plant flower are comes under velvet estivation. So here we are going to wipe out this because we are going to discuss next type of estivation, that is twisted estivation. Twisted estivation, the name indicates, it will be very easy to remember. If you draw a circle once again, we are talking about the sepals in calyx, petals in corolla. In calyx corolla, both condition estivation is common. So in twisted case, you will find if calyx, one sepal, another sepal, third sepal, fourth sepal, and fifth sepal. I have drawn here 5 sepals in calyx. If you zoom, you will see here you can find there is a overlap. Here you can find there is overlap. Each sepal shows one side is at the inside and one side is at the outside. If you talk about this sepal, one side is at the internal, one side is at the outer side. Each sepal has the same story. In that case, you can see it is a twisted type of estivation. Here we have talked about sepals in calyx. In corolla, the same story is repeated. The third and most confusing category is the imbricate estivation. And many times in exam questions are based on such type of estivation. In imbricate estivation, if you draw a circle once again, here you have to remember that one sepal completely outside. One sepal completely inside, and remaining 3 are like twisted. So if you follow these guidelines, you will notice, I will wipe out this. This is very essential. You cannot avoid this. You will find one sepal I have drawn here, another sepal I have drawn here, third sepal I have drawn here, fourth sepal I have drawn here, and fifth sepal I have drawn here. So what is here? It is very interesting to observe. One sepal shows one side facing inside and one side facing outside. Another sepal, same story, one side inside, one side at the outside. This sepal shows one side at the inside and another side again at the inside only. And this sepal shows both sides at the outside. Okay, both sides at the outside. So here I have tried to explain you aestivation in imbricate case. It is very essential to understand imbricate aestivation, and you will find difficult to draw on your own because it requires practice. We have talked about sepal in calyx, but the story is same for petals in corolla. So next we are moving to the quinquential. Next we are moving to the quinquential type of aestivation. Here you have to remember 2 are completely outside, 2 are completely inside, and 1 must be overlapping or twisted, we can say. So according to the guideline, if you are going to draw this, you will find here we have drawn a rough circle. Okay. I am trying to make it visible for you. So here is a diagram where you have one completely outside, one overlapping, one completely inside, one completely outside, one completely inside. So we have fulfilled the guideline which they have said that 2 outside, okay, 2 outside, 2 inside, yes, 2 inside, and 1 overlapping like twisted fashion. So I am sure with this you must have understood the different types of aestivations which generally you are facing problem in order to understand. Here I will stop. In next lecture we will discuss more about the flaws.